Canada is one of the most popular study destinations in the world. It offers world-class universities, a safe and diverse environment, and plenty of opportunities for growth. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete study permit process, key documents needed, and useful tips to make the visa journey smooth and stress-free. Let's begin. To study in Canada, students need a valid study permit, which is not the same as a visa. A study permit allows students to stay legally in Canada and pursue their studies. But to travel and enter the country, students will also need either a visitor visa or an ETA, which are usually issued automatically once the permit is approved. Simply put, the visa lets them travel, and the study permit lets them study. To apply for a Canadian study permit, a letter of acceptance from a Canadian institution is required. Most students also require a provincial or territorial attestation letter for the study permit. Once they accept an offer and pay the fee, the institution will then apply to the relevant provincial or territorial government on the student's behalf for the letter. Once issued, the institution provides it to the student. This letter must be included in the study permit application, unless the student qualifies for an exemption. International students must show proof of funds to cover tuition, living expenses, and travel. From September 2025, the minimum living expenses are set at $20,635 Canadian dollars per year. Accepted proof includes Guaranteed Investment Certificate, GIC, from a participating Canadian financial institution, bank statements, loan sanction letters, scholarship letters, or sponsorship letters with proof of ID and income. This ensures financial stability throughout the study period. The application process can be simplified into 5 main steps. Step 1. Students need to apply for a course at a designated learning institution in Canada. Once they accept an offer, the institution will provide a letter of acceptance and a provincial or territorial attestation letter, which is mandatory for the study permit application. Step 2. Here are the required documents: proof of identity, letter of acceptance, PAL or TAL, proof of funds, and other basic documents such as academic transcripts and proof of English proficiency. Students may also need a medical exam, a police clearance certificate, or additional documents depending on their nationality. Step 3. Students need to submit the study permit application through the official IRCC website. All original documents need to be clearly scanned and uploaded correctly. An application fee of $150 Canadian dollars needs to be paid to submit the application. Once done, an email will be sent with instructions for submitting biometrics at the visa office. Step 4. The processing time varies depending on the country of residence, document completeness, and other additional checks. On average, it can take 6 weeks to 3 months. Progress can be tracked through the official IRCC tool. Once approved, the study permit is issued along with a visa or ETA stamped in the passport. Step 5. Once approved, flights can be booked. At the port of entry, immigration officers may review the approval letter, visa or ETA, and proof of funds before granting entry. A study permit is generally valid for the duration of the study program plus 90 extra days. This allows time to prepare for departure, apply for an extension, or transition to a post-graduation work permit. If the program is longer than the permit validity, or if there is a change in the program, students must apply to extend the study permit to continue staying legally. Study permit applications can be refused due to missing documents, insufficient funds, or not meeting health and security requirements. Application fees are non-refundable, even if the visa is refused. Students need to reapply immediately after addressing the issues listed in the refusal letter. International students in Canada with a valid study permit can work up to 20 hours per week during academic sessions. During scheduled breaks, like summer or winter holidays, they can work full-time. Working in Canada helps students support living expenses and develop professional skills. Students can gain Canadian work experience with a post-graduation work permit, PGWP. International students have 180 days after graduation to apply for a PGWP. If the program is under 8 months, students aren't eligible for the permit. For programs between 8 months and 2 years, the permit is valid for the same duration as the program. For programs of 2 years or more, students can receive a PGWP for up to 3 years. With a Canadian study permit, the door to world-class education, professional growth, and unforgettable experiences opens wide. It's more than a pathway for your students. It's a launchpad for a brighter future.